how to link Topstep account to Sierra Chart. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. In first step, download the latest version of Sierra Chart. Install the platform and log into your Sierra Chart account when prompted. This account is the one you created on the Sierra Chart website. Once logged into the platform, go to the File option and select Data or Trade Service Settings. Under Current Selected Services list, Rithmic Direct DTC Trading from the drop-down and click A to apply. Now, under Server list, select Topstep Trader Chicago Area Non-Aggregated from the drop-down and click A to apply. If you do not live in the United States, please select the server that is closest to you. If you are using an older device, we recommend selecting Topstep Trader Chicago Area Aggregated node. If the server list does not load, we recommend restarting the platform. In next step, under trading username and trading password, you will enter your Topstep trading account information as provided in your credentials email. The password will restart with TST. You will enter the same username and password for the market data and historical data. After all three usernames and passwords have been entered, click Apply All and close the settings window. In order to connect properly, please ensure the trade simulation mode is disabled. Go to Trade option and select Trade Simulation Mode. If this checked, please click to uncheck. To connect, go to File, connect to data feed. The status bar on the top left will turn green when you connect to your Topstep trading account. That's it.